Actually, I started recording in the first time. Okay, next. See, tell me, 10 years consists of how many odd days? 10 years consists of how many odd days? Here, no dates are given and no year numbers are given. Directly, you can say.
Two leap years, eight
Yes,
normal days.
Very good. 10 years consists of 2 leap years. And remaining 8?
8 normal years.
Normal years. 2 leap years consists of?
4 plus
4
8, 12.
Days. 8 normal years.
5 odd days.
5, sir. 5, sir. Actually, answer is 5.
So, okay.
Answer is 5.
Yes, correct. 4 plus 8 is 12.
6 also, right?
Sorry?
So it can be 6 also because they have not mentioned the date or any year, sir. So it can be
any
also.
year numbers are not mentioned here. That's why we'll take a general case only. What is the most repeated case? 2 will be guaranteed, correct?
Yes, sir.
The third one we can't say.
Yes,
that's why we don't consider. We don't need to consider that extra year. So how many confirmed leap years will be there? 2 confirmed leap years will be there, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 4 plus 8. After adding 4 plus 8, it is 12. But 12 consists of 5 odd days. Yes,
so what's n?
Sorry?
So what's n?
What, Sujay?
So you written 8n, right? What's n, sir?
Non-leap year. Normal year.
Okay, sir. Fine.
L is for leap
so
year.
Is this another way to find odd days?
No.
But sir, you have done it that way, right? Okay, got it, sir. So you just taken the odd days out of 2 leap years and 8 normal years, and then you're just
yes. So we have to segregate them first. How many leap years are there, and how many normal years or non-leap years are there? We have to segregate them. After that, it is easy because every a leap year consists of 2. So whatever it may be, we have to multiply that number by 2. So here 2 leap years. That's why 2 into 2. 2 into 2. So here 1 normal year consists of 1. So that's why 8 into 1 this is. Okay. Sujay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then. Tell me, 100 years consists of how many leap years? Sorry. How many odd days? How many odd days will be there in 100 years?
So 24 leap years and 124. So 1 minute. So 76 normal years.
20 leap years, right? Sir, it would be 20 leap years, right?
No.
There won't be any leap year for this. All are
24 leap years, sir. 24 leap years and 76 normal years.
How to get 100?
So 76 normal years.
Yeah, here my question is 100 years consists of how many leap years? Means how many odd days actually. But we have to find out first leap years and non-leap
years.
5. 24, sir.
25
leap years. And remaining?
Leap years. So 25 leap years.
No, not
but the century might or might not be, right?
Yeah, that 25th may be or may not be. That is not a confirmed, definite case. That point is already, we have taken it in the last class. See here, this one. In how many leap years will be there in 100 years? 24 guaranteed.
Sir, is there any trick to find out?
Which one?
Or we have to memorize like number of leap years in certain duration?
No need to memorize. Here, what thing is memorized? Any year number is given, you have to divide it by 4 and quotient is your answer.
Okay. Okay, for duration we have to do like that. Okay.
Yes. Actually, 100 is given. Then if you divide this number by 4, then quotient will be actually 25. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But 100th year is not a leap year. This is not a leap year. That's why we have to reduce 1. Because
sir, it's a century, right?
Sorry?
Sir, it's a century, right?
Yeah, this is century. We have to check the divisibility by 400. Because 100 is not divisible by 400, it is not a leap year.
Yes, sir. So 24, right?
Yeah, 24 leap years. And how many non-leap years remaining?
So 76.
76
yes, out of 100, 24 leap and remaining 76 are non-leap years or normal years. So now tell me, one leap year consists of how many odd days?
2 odd days.
2. 24 leap years consists of
48.
48.
48.
Okay, as of now, we'll take 48 only. Next, one normal year consists of how many odd days?
1.
1 odd day. 76 normal leap years, normal years consists of
76 plus
76 odd days. So here also, actually, we have to add all the numbers and then divide it by 7 and remainder. But here also, we can cancel individual numbers, divisibility by 7. So 7, how many times it will go?
So 0.
42.
6 times, sorry.
Okay.
7 6 are 42 and the remainder is?
Sorry, what you're telling is to directly cancel over there.
6, sir.
Yeah, we can directly cancel 7s. Because we need remainder. Even after adding and dividing by 7 also, it will give the same remainder. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Suppose, see, I'll take two numbers, 12, and I'm taking one more number like 13 or second.
So the answer is 5 odd days.
Yes, correct. So I'm taking another number like 13. Divide this number by 7. What is the remainder? Divide this number by 7. Remainder is? Tell.
Sir, 5.
5. Divide this number by 7 and the remainder is?
6.
6. 5 plus 6 is again?
11.
11.
11. When you divide it by 7, remainder is?
4.
4.
4, sir.
Or otherwise, directly add 12 plus 13. How much it is?
25.
25 and divided by 7. What is the remainder?
4.
4.
4.
Sir.
Okay, so here we can, we can take individually or we can take combinedly also.
Sir, in all question we can do directly.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, 48 when divided by 7, what is the remainder? 6.
Sir, 6.
76 when divided by 7, remainder is?
Sir, 6.
6. 6 plus 6 is?
12.
12.
12 when divided by 7, remainder is?
5.
5. Okay. Right, see. Here I'm writing. 100 years consists of how many leap years? Sorry, how many odd days?
5.
5 odd days. 5 odd days. Next, tell me, 200 years consists of how many odd days?
Sir, 3.
Very good. Very good. Yeah, how you got that 3?
Sir, if 100 years
5 plus
contains 5
Yes,
odd days.
100 years
5
consists
plus
of
5
5 means another 100 years also consists of 5. 5 plus 5 it is 10. So 10 again we have to bring it to below 7, correct?
Yes, sir. 10 minus 7 is 3. So answer is 3.
3 odd days will be there. Then tell me, 300 years consists of how many odd days?
So 1.
1, very good.
One.
Because 5 3s are 15. 15 consists of 1. Okay.
Sir,
Now
could
tell
you
me,
repeat that
400
concept? I didn't understand. Sir, could
What,
you
what,
repeat
Nihal?
that? Sir, could you repeat that? I didn't understand that, what you were doing, sir.
100 years is the cycle, suppose. Okay. In first 100 years, how many leap years are there? Sorry, how many odd days are there?
5 odd.
5 odd days. In the next 100 years also, there will be 5 odd days, correct?
Yes, sir.
So then it will be 5 plus 5, 10. 10, we have to bring it to below 7.
Okay.
So then it is 3 odd days.
Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, if 200 years is 3 odd days, then 300 will be like 3 plus 3, right?
300 or 400?
300.
No. Here 300 years means 100 plus 100 plus 100. 5 plus 5 plus 5.
So 3 plus 3 plus 3, like that.
Why 3 plus 3 plus 3? From where it
Because
is?
200 is 3, has 3 odd days, right?
200 is 3, okay. Then how can you say it is 300 means 200 plus 200? It will be 400, right?
No, sir, I am asking that if you have taken as 100 year have 5 odd days, then 200 year you have taken that 5 plus 5.
5
so
plus.
we have to take 3 also, no, in 300, or we have to take 5 only. In every calculation, we have to take 5.
That is better. Or what you are telling 300, can we take like this? 200 plus 100. Is it your doubt? 200 plus 100.
No, sir. my doubt is that 300 year we have to find how many odd days. So
Yes.
So we will do that 3 plus 3 plus 3 like that. We will do, or we have to do 5 plus. We have to take 5 only.
You are telling one point. 3 plus 3 plus 3. Where is this 3? From where we are bringing that 3?
So from 200 years.
So from 200 it is 3 is okay. But how can you make 200 plus 200 plus 200? What will be this number then?
800.
200 plus 200 plus 200, it will be 600, correct? Then you are finding it for 600 years, not for 300 years.
Okay, sir, understood.
Yes. Okay, tell me, 400 years consists of how many odd days?
6.
That's 6.
6, correct?
So now it's 5.
Sir, 6.
So it's 5.
5. Okay.
So it'll be 6 for 400.
1 second. My pen is stuck in white. Okay. Tell how it is 400.
Sir, it's 0, sir. It's
Sir,
0.
it will be 0, sir, because 400
Yes,
is
sir,
a
0.
leap year.
Okay, right. Very good. If I give time, you are identifying that. Okay. Then first 100 years is 5 is okay. Correct? Second 100 years, it is 5 is okay. In third 100 years, it will be 5 okay. But in next 100 years, sir, so means 400th year is a leap year, correct?
Yes, sir.
So because 100th year or 200th year or 300th year are not leap years, that's why we have considered only 24 leap years. Sorry, 24 leap years only. But in 400th year, 400 is a leap year. That's why we have to take one more day extra. Okay, in 400th year. So it will be 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. 21 consists of how many odd days?
0.
0 odd days will be there. Okay. Actually, what you said 6, sir. But you have to take one more day extra. 6 plus 1 will be
Yes,
7.
sir, I forgot to include that.
Yes, sir.
Sorry?
I have one doubt, sir.
Tell.
Sir, I did not understand this 200 years 3. This I'm not able to understand, sir.
200 means 100 plus 100 or not?
Yes.
In this 100, how many years? How many odd days are there?
5.
5. In the next 100 years, how many odd days are there?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. 5. How? Sir, how 5, sir? 24 leap years.
Again, you are going to back, going back.
Okay, sir. 5 early, sir. Yes, sir. 5 early. That's 48, 5. Yes, sir.
So this is already over. Okay,
Yes,
this is already calculated. 100 years, 5.
Yes, sir.
So 200
Okay,
years means 100 plus 100 means 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 means it is 3 only.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay.
Sir, again in 400 years, sir. Why you added this plus 1, sir? Okay, 1 leap year, right?
Yeah, because 400th year is a leap year. That's why I have added one more day extra.
Okay, sir.
So then it will be 21 days, 21 odd days. 21 odd days, nothing but 0.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, then. Tell me, 500 years consists of how many odd days? 500 years consists of how many odd days?
Sir, 5 odd days.
5 odd days. How?
So 1 odd day.
Sir,
So,
in 400 years, there will be 0 odd days. So after
next
that,
will
if you
be
add
5.
5, because 100 years, then you'll get 5 odd days.
Very good. Excellent.
Yeah.
So in these 500 years, up to 400 years, how many odd days?
So it'll be 0.
0.
So the next
And next
will be
100
5.
years only. In 100 years, we know already it is 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In 600 years, how many odd days will be there?
So 3.
3, sir. 3.
In 700 years, how many odd days will be there?
1.
1.
Sir, how is it 5 in 5 years?
Sorry?
Sir, how is it 5 in 5 years? Okay, you have added all the odd days. Okay.
Yes. In 800 years, how many odd days will be there?
0.
0.
0.
Because in first
Give a pattern.
up to 400 years, it is 0, and the next 400 years also it is 0 again. So when will be next 0?
Sir,
Sir, 1200.
12.
1200.
1200 years.
Next 0?
1600.
1600. 1600. Next to 0.
20.
2000.
2000 means 2000. And so
Yes,
on. Here, can I say for every 400 multiple number of years, odd days will be 0?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is what I'm writing here. First 400, next 800, next.
So the multiples of 400, right?
Sorry?
So multiples of 400, right?
Multiples of 400.
Okay.
400 into n or 400n. So 400, if n is 1, it will be 400. If n is 2, 800. n is 3, 1200.
Sir,
60.
maximum they can be 5 odd days, right?
Maximum?
Maximum 5 odd days.
Here, yeah, maximum 5 odd days only.
Sir, like, what is the importance of odd days, sir?
Yeah, complete calendar topic runs on odd days only. If you, when you are going to solve questions, then you will come to know, etc. For these many years, my pen is not working properly today. For these many years, odd days will be. Tell me.
0,
Sir,
sir.
0.
0. Yes. Okay. Let us move on to the questions now with this concept. Okay.
So there's no real life uses of the odd days, right?
Yeah, we can use in real time, in real life. Okay. As I mentioned in the last class, to solve this question, what is the day of the week for this date, 15th August 1947? Anyone knows? What is the day of the week?
Google, sir.
Don't know.
Then nothing.
Actually, it's a Friday.
How,
We
sir?
got independence on Friday.
Sir, I just checked the calendar. Yes.
Okay.
Sir,
Let
how-
us prove that. Okay, let us prove that. Okay, see, to solve this question in standard method, we have to divide this date into two parts. First, completed years below this date. Tell me, how many years are completed below this date?
1946.
1946 years completed, and first find the number of odd days in 1946 years, and later 1947 also completed up to some extent. Up to what?
15 days.
Up to August 15.
Yes, sir.
1947 is completed up to
15th August.
August 15th. August 15th. So first of all, we have to find the number of odd days in this duration, and later we need to find number of odd days in 1947.
Won't it be too long?
Sorry?
Sir, won't it be too long?
What, Nihar? Not understood.
Sir, it will be too long, right?
Why too long? No. Just listen to me first.
Divide by
Later.
7. Divide by 7.
Let me explain first. In 1947 year also, we have to find a number of odd days up to August 15th. Okay.
So basically, we are going to use the number of odd days and add it to whatever day it is given so that we can get the next day, like the required day.
Well, let us see what happened. Okay. Okay, tell me. Can you find number of odd days in 1946 years directly?
Yes, sir.
No, because it's somewhat lengthy. We have to check the number of leap years and number of non-leap years, then all that procedure. Can anybody tell the short way of finding number of odd days in 1946 years?
Sir, can't we directly divide by 7?
No.
So we can divide it by 6, and then you have to add the number of odd days. The number of
basically,
odd
you
days
can do
have
it
to
to
add is the number of.
No. See here. Listen to me.
Can we like multiply 1946 into 365 and then divide by 7?
Okay.
Sir, we can do it like for 19 centuries, we
there's
can
one
find
way.
it. And then for 46 years, we can find it separately.
Can I tell?
Tell.
So we can add 21 plus I think it's 53, which will be I think 74, and we have to from today's date we can minus 74.
No. Okay. Wait. See here. Just now we have covered this one. What is this point?
So we can use 1900s, like 1600 we can find it out. Then
Yes.
300 years we can add. And then we can find
in
it
that
out.
1947 up to 1600 years odd days are
0.
0.
and then why we are bothering about all those years?
That's why I said, sir, like earlier.
Yes. So 1946 we have to split into 1600 plus
346 years.
actually it is 346, but we don't need to take that much risk also. That's why I'm separating 300 plus
40 plus 6.
46. Okay, 46 is okay, below 100 because it is. Okay, see, up to 1600 years, how many odd days are there?
Sir, 0.
0. In 300 years, how many odd days are there?
3.
Sir, 1.
One.
You know already. Yes,
So
1.
3.
Because 100 years
One.
is 5. 200
One.
years is 3. 300 years is
1.
1.
1.
1.
But
5310.
we will not, we cannot escape from this. We have to split into leap plus non-leap. In 46 years, how many leap years will be there?
11.
11 leap years, and the remaining?
2 normal years.
Out of 46, 11 are over. How many years are remaining?
2.
Sir, 35.
35.
35.
35, sir.
Okay, in 46 years, 11 leap years, and the remaining 35 normal
Non-leap.
years or non-leap years. Okay. Now tell me, 1 leap year consists of 2 odd days. 11 leap years consists of
The final answer is 1
22.
only.
22.
22. 35 normal years consists of
35.
35 odd days. So here we can cancel 7 multiples. If we cancel 22 by 7, what is the remainder?
Sir,
1.
1.
If we cancel 35 by 7, remainder?
0.
0.
Overall, how many odd days are there in 1946 years?
2.
0
sir.
plus
2.
1
2 odd days.
plus 0. Overall,
2. sir.
2.
2 odd days.
so 2 odd days are there in 1946 years, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, next we need to find 1947th year up to August 15. So we have to start from
January.
January, how many odd days?
3.
Sir, 3.
3 odd days.
3.
February,
0.
0.
0.
March,
3.
3.
April,
2.
2.
May,
3.
3.
June,
2.
2.
July,
3.
2.
August.
1.
3.
August till 15th, sir.
Yeah,
August
actually
one.
August 3
Will be 1.
up to 15 days. So it
1.
is 1 only. So now cancel again 7 multiples.
So 3. 3 will be the number.
Here we can cancel 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
2 plus 3 is 5 plus 2. 7. And finally, what is the remainder
3.
here?
3.
It's
sir.
will be 3.
Odd days are there. And overall, how many odd days are there? This
5
2
odd days.
plus
5
3.
odd days.
So
5.
5. So based on this 5, how to say the answer? See here. It is in above slide.
The Friday. Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir. It is Friday.
Sir,
Okay.
Friday.
So based on
Yes, sir.
odd days, how to say the day? Based on odd days, how to say the day? Remember this point. In standard method, we have to start 0 with Sunday. No need to memorize all those things. Simply remember this point. We have to start 0 with Sunday. If 0 is Sunday, 1 will be Monday, 2 will be Tuesday, right?
Yes.
So finally, we got how many odd days?
Someone doubt.
5. Friday.
5.
Friday.
5 means it is
Friday.
Friday.
Someone doubt.
Tell, Stan.
Sir, you got 3 no, sir. Again, how you got that 5, sir?
By
What is
adding 3
this?
plus 2.
Okay.
2.
2
What
or
is this?
3.
2 plus 3 is 5. Means totally we are finding the number of odd days in this duration from the beginning, from the first year. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Piyush, any doubt?
Yes, sir. Sir, it's written standard method. So, is there some other variation also?
Yeah, there is some variation in shortcut method. There will be some variation. We'll see that thing also.
So will you teach shortcut method?
I will teach shortcut method in the next class. Actually, I thought in 2 days we will complete the topic, but it has not happened.
Unfortunately, it
The
had.
calendar is lengthy topic, sir.
No, actually it is not lengthy, but we are making it lengthy. Okay, see. All together we are making it. Now see this question. How we will do this? Below this date, how many years
By
are
taking
completed?
1995.
Yeah, first of all, we have to find the 1995 years, odd days in 1995 years. Later, in 1996 also.
1996 till 9th February.
Yes, till or up to 9th Feb. 9th Feb. Yeah. Tell how to split this number.
1900 plus 95.
1900 plus 1995.
Oh, why?
Okay.
What
Plus
is the use of
1600
1900?
plus
1600
plus
1600 plus
95.
300 plus
300 plus
Sir,
5.
we have already found out that in 1900th century, there's only one, right? So why need to calculate it again?
But in that case, you need to remember that. How many can you remember them?
No, sir, like if it is consecutive questions, then we can do it like that, right?
Yes, sir. But we have to do, as it is a fresh question, we have to do every question. By considering it as a fresh question, we have to do, because it is already mentioned in the previous one. Then how can we do that? Okay,
Yes,
if you practice, then automatically all those things will be memorized. Okay, 1600. How many leap years? Sorry, how many odd days?
Zero.
Zero.
In 300 years.
Sir, 1.
One, sir.
95. We have to split into leap plus non-leap. How many leap years?
23.
23. Yes, correct. If it is 24, means 96. Correct.
Yes,
23 leap years, and non-leap years are
72.
72.
remaining. Remaining is 72. Correct. Every non-leap year, sorry, every leap year consists of 2 odd days. 23 leap years consists of 23 twos are
46.
46. 72 non-leap years consists of
72 odd days.
now cancel 7 multiples again.
Sir,
46
So 4
divided
and
by
2.
7
plus
remainder
2.
4.
Four
Here
and
it is 2.
2.
So then add all the numbers.
6.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
That dividing 46 by 7.
7. Sir, or
Six, right?
7.
One second. Ask.
Yes, sir. So dividing 46 by 7, we get a 6, right? The question.
No. When 46 is divided by 7, what is the remainder?
Okay, I'm sorry. Yes, sir. I'm sorry. Yes,
Always when you are dividing by 7, concentrate on remainder. Leave the quotient, whatever it is.
yes, I'm sorry. Yeah.
Okay, then now see 0 plus 1 plus 4 plus 2 is how much?
7, 0.
7 means no need to consider
0.
7. Simply we can say
Zero.
it is 0. Okay, there are 0 odd days in 1995 years, correct?
That's a Sunday.
Yes, sir.
No, not completed yet. What about this data? What about this duration?
Up to 9th we have to calculate.
Yes, sir.
Up to 9th February. January, how many odd days?
3,
3. February?
2.
So up to 9th we have to
Actually, if
calculate.
it is direct February, we'll say 1. But here up to 9th February, that's why 2.
It
So
will be
3
2.
plus 2, it is
5.
5.
Friday.
in total. Overall, how many odd days are there? 0 plus
5. Friday.
So 5 odd days.
Thursday,
Are there.
Thursday.
5 odd days means it is Friday. You can check in your calendar.
Friday.
So isn't it Thursday, sir?
No, it is Friday only.
Like 1 Sunday, 2 Monday, 3 Tuesday.
Yes.
Sunday, 0.
So based on this one only. So if it is
Okay,
0,
that's fine.
Sunday.
0. Yes,
Based
sir.
on odd days, how to save the day in standard method.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And let us do one more. Okay. Actually, it is time to learn shortcut method, because then you will know which will be better. But time is up. Let us do one more question. Okay. Tell anyone any date. Anyone, can you give any date of your choice?
So
So 5th
20th
December
November.
2007.
Sorry?
20th November. So 20th November 2007.
20 November
28.
2007.
Seven.
Okay. Now, how to split that? Sorry, first tell me which year we need to consider, 2007 or 2006?
2006.
2006. First, we need to find number of odd days in 2006. Okay, we will find out number of odd days. How to split this number?
2000 plus 6.
Very good. Don't consider 1600 now, because after 1600 there is another multiple. Next multiple is 2000.
Yes, sir.
2000 and 6 years. 6 years. Tell me, 2000 years consists of how many odd days?
0.
0. 6
Zero.
years consists of, means 6 years
7.
means we have to split actually.
Yes, sir.
We have to split
So
this
one-
number,
one
leap year.
leap and non-leap.
1 leap year.
1 leap year.
Yes. 1 second. Yeah. 1 leap year
5 normal years.
1 leap year plus 5 normal years. So 1 leap year consists of how many odd days?
2.
The 2.
2. 5 normal years consists of
5.
5. Plus 5 is
odd days.
7 0.
7.
7 means how many
No.
odd days are there?
0.
0.
0 odd days are there in this duration. Next, 2007 is also completed up to November.
20 November.
Yeah, 2007 till 20 November. Tell from January start.
3 0
3.
3
January,
0.
February, March, April,
2
May,
2.
3
3.
June,
3.
3.
no,
2
July,
3
3, August.
3
1.
3.
See, there is a shortcut to memorize those things. Do you know this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
January,
Yes, sir.
February, March,
Yeah, I know.
April, May, June. So our fingers are like this.
Yes, sir. The downer ones are 30 and upper ones are 31.
Yeah, exception of February.
Exception of.
Yes, correct. So upper ones are 31 days and lower ones are 20. It can be 30 or 29
Exception February.
or it can be 28 also. Anyone.
Sir, how we will remember that in January it is how many?
That is
days?
what I am telling. See. So these are our fingers, finger format. This one.
Yes, sir. That is
Okay. So the upper one is 31 days and the lower one is
30 days.
30 days or 29 days or 28 days also.
Sir, but February doesn't have 30 days.
That is why I have taken 29 and 28. Otherwise, no other month consists of 29 or 28 except February.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the upper one, we have to start from January. This is February. This is March, April, May, June. This is July. Again, we have to start August from there only. So this is August, September. In the reverse order, September, October, November, and then December. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Where we are up to August or September? August is over. Okay. Continue.
September
After
2.
August, September 2, November.
So October.
That's
20
6.
days only.
So October 3, sir.
6. November. Sorry,
So like
20 days.
after September, October will come, right?
Okay. Sorry. Okay. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. Yes, October, how many?
17.
November?
6.
20 days means it is 6.
6.
6.
Cancel 7 multiples. 7 multiples. Then
6, 8, 11, 13, 16,
2,
19, 21,
3, 2.
24,
Okay.
24, 30.
Okay, see, how many threes are there? 1,
Sir,
2, 3, 4. 4 threes are?
At 5 also, sir.
12.
No, 5,
These
sir.
are 12 plus 2.
14.
14. We can cancel all these things. Okay. So finally it is 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 means 9. 9 consists of
9.
only
2.
2 odd days. So overall, how many odd days are there?
Sorry. 2.
2.
0 plus 2. How many odd days total?
2. Tuesday.
2, sir.
Is Sunday. If 0 is Sunday, then 2 is?
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Yes. 1 Monday, 2 Tuesday. This is Tuesday.
So are we done with this chapter?
No. No, not completed. We should learn one more method. Shortcut method is there.
Oh, yeah.
Sir, are we done with the class?
Okay.
Bye,
Right.
sir.
We will leave now. We'll try to complete it in the next class. Okay. Let us, meanwhile, practice some questions. Okay. In this method, practice some questions. Then next class will be somewhat faster.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Tell.
Sir, in some questions they give like if 15th August on 1947 is a Saturday instead of Friday, which is not standard, right? So then they ask you another date, like 20th November 2007. So then what?
There is a
Yes,
question
sir,
on the
like
screen.
that. Exactly like that.
Yeah, we will solve all these type of questions.
Okay, sir.
Still
Sir,
in
sir,
concepts only.
sir,
We are in
one-
basics
sir,
only.
for
We have not
15th
entered to
August-
solve the questions.
Sir, for 15th August,
Thank
it
you,
is
sir.
Friday, but then if they give an exam, we won't even know if it's standard or what.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He will not give that. Because many will remember that word simply. Okay, there
Yes,
are
sir.
many
Thank you, sir.
questions are there. All these things we have to do.
Okay, sir.
Repetitive calendar and many things are there.
So what I told the question came, sir. An example. Example 3.
Example 3. In type.
Sir, type. I think it's starting. It's starting. I think.
Okay, this one.
No. Not this. This. In 6th August, it is Monday and something they
Okay,
given.
type 2.
Type 2. This. Yes, sir. Yes, this one.
Type by type, I have classified all the types of questions. So
Okay.
just we have to solve those questions. Okay, in the
Okay.
next class, we'll maximum try
Yes,
to
sir.
solve
Thank
all
you,
these
sir.
questions.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you so much, sir.
Bye.
Bye.